Why is it resizing? Damn it. We could save this, but I'm not sure if it will really save. Let's have a look. Did it save correctly? Oh yes, it did. It did save. Completely with all of it. And oh, we need to add a controller to that. Okay, now it's moving around. Yeah. I think Frank has some competition now, because this is really awesome. Yeah, I will hide it in a cave somewhere. Yeah. I'm working on an exploration adventure game, but at the moment I'm just playing around with character creation system, and it created something really yeah, interesting for us. Let's call it that way. And I created these armor pieces here. The armor and the dress I created. But this character here we can change. But if we change in the wrong way, then something like this happens. This here. And we just had to save that. And if I let me show you the game. This is just a test scene for the character creation system. Give me a second to change the scene. Yep, save that. Definitely. And here we go. This is the world map. Basically, and here we have a village. There we start, and over there's a brewery with an interior. The game is an exploration adventure game. Think of something like Firewatch, where you can pick up stuff and interact with it, talk to people. But I don't have a budget for good voice acting, so that might not be in there, which was the selling point for Firewatch. But let's jump in here and have a look. Let's maximize that. And oh, we just walk through this terrain here. It's just ignore that. It shouldn't be there, but for some reason it didn't. It resetted the shader. If I focus people, I can right click on them, get information, or people or objects. And if I left click them, I can talk to them. In this case, I already talked to this guy at some point. And then it says, oh yeah, there were coins lying next to you. Okay, thank you. And now we look in our inventory and we have some coins here that he gave us. And if we look this way, oh, we can look outside here. That's how it's supposed to look. But for some reason the shader decided, oh no, I want to reset myself. And if I right click here, I can get to the village. And I can teleport into the village that way. And here we are inside the village. And we should have some people patrolling around here. Yeah, there they are. 2 guards on a patrol. And yes, they get stuck. I like it when that happens. Come on. You are better than that. You can do it. Okay, they're stuck. But they are still, I just set it up and nothing's really configured yet, and there's a lot to be done. And here I can teleport to the mines, which are also closed, but there's a door here that I will use at some point to get into the mines. I didn't create these. These are bought assets. These are 3D Forge assets from the asset store. And the oops, we can use the teleporter here. Don't have to run. And the characters in here, these are created in Fuse, Mixamo or Adobe Fuse. and then just import it. The problem with these models for characters is that they are static. I can't change the outfit, I can't change any parameters in-game. That's why I'm using the other system for that. So I need to create completely new outfits and all that stuff. And now there. Come on, you can do it. Be nice. The problem is I'm using a behavior tree system, and the only flaw of the system is that it doesn't have dynamic avoidance. So the AI doesn't recognize the other person, but there's some kind of thing that blocks it. Yeah, I know. Or I just need to tell the AI, okay, the guard in front of you is something you have to avoid. But like I said, it's not configured yet. And if I go back here, oh yeah, here we have my still placeholder block for a shrine, and if I left click it, then I'm interacting with the object. In this case, I'm praying on the shrine, so there will be particle effects, sound effects, stuff like that. But at the moment it's just text feedback. And if I go over here, jump back here, I can use this to teleport to the brewery. And here we have the brewery. Oh no, the door is locked. This door as well. Oh, what's that? A key! Let's pick up the key. Key to the brewery. Nice. Okay, that's convenient. And let's unlock both doors and go inside. And now it's loading the interior level, and here we are on the interior. All these characters are created in Fuse and kind of static in their outfits and their look, so I need to recreate all of them at some point. This is Derek. He's a charmed goblin that's helping out in the inn or brewery. And here we have Frank. Yeah, that's Frank. Let's meet Frank. Hello, Frank. Yeah, you're ignoring me? Okay, that's good. Just walk around here. Why are you... No, do not encourage him, please. Yeah, that's me. That's that's an avatar of myself, basically. And I'm not approving of that. Do not encourage him. Do not. Yeah. And here we have... This is Mila, the barmaid. Created with help of one of my viewers some time ago. And I made a copy of herself and changed the colors a bit, so that I have just another barmaid in here.